So I tried out every single brush in ZBrush, and this is the result I came up with. All right, it is nothing that is impressive, but I just needed to do some experimentation. I'm fairly new to ZBrush, so if you do have any tips and tricks, do well to drop a comment down in the comment section. And I'm no expert, guys, but I just wanted to invite you all on my journey. So if that sounds interesting, keep watching this video and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so from doing this experiment, I realized that there are only a few brushes we are going to need. Okay, so my UI is fairly customized. I am new, but I just couldn't stand the original one. So from all these brushes, I think there are a few you're going to use, and I don't think the rest will come in handy as a beginner. So the first, I'll just go over them quickly. This tutorial is not something that's going to be long. So the first one is clay build up. Okay, and this brush is just amazing, guys. Okay, there are a lot of tutorials online about the different brushes. This is not an introduction to brushes, but I just wanted you guys to see, because I'm not using my tablet right now, so I can't show you everything. All right, so clay build up, and the next one is let's see, just going through this list so we get an idea. I hope I don't pass any. Damn standard. This brush is actually very helpful. I love what you can do with this brush. Like, it is amazing what you can do with this brush. It's just fantastic. All right, the next brush we're going to do is, where's damn standard? Okay, let's keep going. Flatten. I don't use this brush often. I didn't use it often. I didn't like the effect it did, but I think it can come in very useful. But there are a lot of brushes like this. So if you know the differences between all these brushes, do well to leave a comment and let me know. But there are a lot of brushes like the flatten brush, so I didn't exactly find this useful. Where's flatten now? Flatten. All right. Now the next brush we'll see. H polish. H polish is very similar to flatten. Like I said, there are lots like flatten, but I think H polish is nice as well. H polish. Let's bring this up. Inflate, I didn't use as much. I think I use the standard more. So that's basically that. Move brush, of course. And it does exactly what you would expect. It moves the geometry around. Okay, excuse that. Okay, like I said, I'm not on my tablet, so my navigation is whack right now. Okay, move brush. All right, after the move brush, we're going to look at um, polish planer. If you know the difference, do well to tell me, but I don't. These two do the same thing as the H polish and the other brush, so that's just that. But I would use polish more often than the rest of them. And snake hook, I didn't use as much. S polish as well, basically the same thing. Standard, just like, let's go down some. It's just a basic standard brush, and it's actually quite helpful. Okay, now I think we're coming towards the end. Trim adaptive and trim dynamic. If you know the difference, do well to leave comments, because I have no idea what the difference is, but I generally go towards trim dynamic. Let me go ahead and you can just see, this is like the polished brushes, but this just removes geometry so quickly. I don't use this often, but when I do need it, this guy is a beast. You can just see everything is just gone. Trim dynamic is amazing. Okay, I think that's the last brush. Yep, that's the last brush. All right. So to go over these brushes, the brushes I use, standard brush. If you just look over here, you can see the brush. Standard brush, clay build up, the move brush, and I've assigned hotkeys to this. That's why I'm going through them so quickly. Move brush, dam standard, trim dynamic, and polish. Okay, and of course, one very helpful brush, if you hold down shift, that is the smooth brush. Okay, actually one of the most helpful. I don't think I'll use any of these brushes without the smooth. So that is it, guys. That is it. So if you found this video informative, somehow you managed to do that, do well to tell me in the comment section what you found informative. But these are the brushes I think you would use. As a beginner myself, these are the brushes I'm using. So as a beginner, I expect that these are the brushes you might want to use. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do well to give this video a like and drop a comment. But don't forget to hit subscribe. And that is basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.